If you want to get a Spotify DJ, you are at the right place. We have got the best solution to do it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: get Spotify DJ. Make sure the Spotify app is up to date on your device in order to experience the personalized touch of Spotify AI DJ. To access Spotify AI DJ, simply follow these steps when your app has been updated. Open the Spotify app and sign in with your credentials. Go to the Made for You area of the app's homepage to see if the AI DJ feature is accessible. You will notice a Spotify AI DJ banner or tile if the feature is available. Press it to initiate. Please be aware that depending on your location and membership plan, Spotify AI DJ may not always be available. Since its initial release in the US and Canada, the function has been made available in markets through Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and New Zealand. If you don't see the feature immediately, be patient as Spotify often tests new features with a selection of users before a broader rollout. And there you have it. This solution helps you to know how to get a Spotify DJ. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.